Hey, I hear you want to get a gift for your dabbing friend. Well, look no further. I got the perfect video for you. This is the Dabber's Gift Guide. Christmas is right around the corner, but if you have any reason to get your dabbing friends a gift, these will make perfect gifts. These are not exclusive to the holiday season. For most of these gift ideas, I have a few different options for you that range from stuff that's a little more cheap, a little more budget friendly, and there's stuff that's a little more expensive but actually helps support the cannabis community. I tried to find something for every type of dabber, whether it's someone who's just getting into concentrates or if it's someone that's been stacking heady glass for years. There should be something on this list that they're gonna adore. Our first gift idea is super hot right now. Pun intended. It's a hot knife. If you guys haven't seen these, Puffco has popularized these over the past few years, and it's a dab tool that the tip gets nice and hot to allow your concentrate to just melt right off. Super useful if you use something like an e-rig where it's hard to get your concentrate down in the bottom of the atomizer or banger. So if your friend or person you're looking for a gift for uses e-rigs, I would highly suggest some sort of hot knife that allows you to just do something like this. Boop, drop it right in. I totally didn't miss. There's all sorts of different options. If they have a e-rig like a Puffco or a Carta, you can get a hot knife to match them based on their brand. Most brands make a hot knife nowadays. The coolest one I think I've seen is from Ooze. They make a 510 thread attachment that's a hot knife, and it also has a little flashlight on it. I really enjoy having the light that comes with my dab camera, but we're gonna get to this later. So I definitely enjoy having a little illumination of my concentrates because I like dabbing at night. Gift idea number 2 is something like this. Check it out. This is my dab pendant. This is made by a local artist here in Colorado named Visual Fiber. But odds are is that wherever you're at, there's probably people making dope stuff like this nearby you. So you can always buy stuff from this exact dude. But I also really want to encourage you to go to your local cannabis events, and odds are they'll have like a little table set up there and you can support your local cannabis artist community. The two artists I want to highlight here are Visual Fiber and Level Heady. They're both artists here in Colorado. Level Heady does these miniatures, so you could get like mini rosin pendants. The one I really like from Level Heady that I would personally want to get is this hat pin that glows. It's a rosin hat pin that glows for $20. I want that shit. This isn't about me. This is about all dabbers. And who wouldn't want custom dab mats so you could get someone's pet as a dab mat or any kind of image you want. Dab pendants from Visual Fiber. And like I said, you don't have to necessarily get it from my friends here, Level Heady or Visual Fiber. Probably people nearby you that make stuff like this too. Next gift idea is something that every dabber uses way too many of. It's cotton swabs. Any type of cotton swab is a good gift for a dabber, in my opinion. Doesn't matter if you have all the money in the world, you still use a ton of freaking Q-tips. One way I would really love to personally receive Q-tips is in like a little nice travel pack like these. I love taking these to events and stuff. They've got these on Amazon for super cheap. Or you can also go cannabis specific with your cotton swabs and get some glob mops. You know, that's a kind of like a weed brand, helps support the stoners. Those are a little higher quality than your normal cotton swab. They even have the slurper mops if you know someone uses a terp slurper, which is a type of banger. Next up on the list is something that's a little specific, a little special. It's a dab camera. This is a great gift for someone who is a content creator or someone who smokes with their friends on their computer all the time, like on Discord. And it's so freaking cool. It allows you to share your cannabis concentrates like never before. You go in and be like, ooh, let's get a nice dab of this Metro fuel, huh? Some sunshine. Look at this freaking glob I got on here already. You can do melt shots with this bad boy. It's super dope for showing off the intricacies of packaging. I've been using these ear cleaning cameras to show off the way I dab my concentrates for a few years now. I've used many different cameras and I found the best one, this guy right here. And if you want to do melt shots like I do, this little attachment is the metal one that allows me to do melt shots and get it nice and hot. I can put this straight against a nail, watch the concentrate melt off. It's a great time. And then last but not least, we got a few cleaning products. Giving someone some isopropyl or some dark crystal glass cleaner is a phenomenal gift for a concentrate lover. You can get 99% isopropyl alcohol just about anywhere. 91 will even do you if you're trying to get it from like or Walmart or something. Obviously they have that stuff on Amazon or wherever. You could also get it on places like the Re-Up store, where if you want to help support one of the biggest cannabis content creators out there, Dope Yola. Or you can support my homie Adam Ill and get some alcohol from it. So small ways where you could dabbing friends, but also support the dabbing community, the cannabis community as a whole. We love this product. We're going to go over real quick is dark crystal glass cleaner. That's how I keep all my bangers and for my e-rigs. Top condition, if you ever see a banger get super gross and black and dirt, call as and this stuff destroys it. Stuff is super gross, and like I'm showing here, you can get it on Amazon or you can get it straight from the dark crystal. I'm going to try to have links to all this stuff in the description of the video here to get isopropyl for Christmas. Personally, I would love Q-tips, even just cotton swabs, you know. I use so many of them. You guys found something dope for your dabbing friends on this list, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays, happy dabbing. If you want to see me do this dab right here, if you want to watch what the melt shot looks like, click this next video.